Hey my friends, today I'm going to solve this math problem. K to the power of 4 plus 1 over k to the power of 4 equal to 34. We have been given this equation. Now we are asked to solve this equation. K plus 1 over k. Solution. K power to the ab equal to k power a bracket b. It is similar to this. K square bracket square plus 1 over k square bracket square equal to 34. This equal to this. K square plus 1 over k square bracket square minus 2. We substitute here. K square plus 1 over k square bracket square minus 2 minus 2 equal to 34. K square plus 1 over k square bracket square equal to 34. We move 2 from this side of the equation to the other side. Let's change the sign. Positive 2. K square plus 1 over k square bracket square equal to 36. 36 equal to 6 square. K square plus 1 over k square bracket square equal to 6 square. Take the square root of both sides. Square and square root simplify. Square root is simplify. Square and square root simplify. K plus 1. K square plus 1 over k square equal to positive negative 6. This equal to this. K plus 1 over k square minus 2. We substitute here. K plus 1 over k square minus 2 equal to positive negative 6. K plus 1 over k square equal to positive negative 6. We move 2 from this side of the equation to the other side of equation. Let's change the sign. Positive 2. Now we have two equations. K positive 1 over k square equal to positive 6 plus 2. One equation. Two equation. K plus 1 over k square equal to negative 6 plus 2. Now solve this. K plus 1 over k square equal to positive 6 plus 2 positive 8. K plus 1 over k square equal to 8. Take the square root of both sides. Square root is simplify. And finally, k plus 1 over k equal to positive negative 8 square root. k plus k plus 1 over k equal to positive negative 8 equal to 4 times 2 square. K plus 1 over k equal to positive negative 2 times 2 square root, because it is 4 equal to 2 square, and square root is simplify. And finally, k plus 1 over k equal to positive negative 2 times 2 square root. Another equation, k plus 1 over k square equal to negative 6 plus 2 negative 4. Now we take square root of both sides. Square and square root is simplify. K plus 1 over k equal to positive negative 4 square root. Square root equal to negative 1 times 4 square root. Negative 1 equal to I square. K plus 1 over k equal to positive negative 2 square I square and square root. K plus 1 over k equal to positive negative square and square root is simplify. Positive negative 2i. It is two answer, and it is one answer. Thank you for watching.